So some experts are predicting that Dogecoin's bull run may be over soon as Bitcoin crashes to $63,000 after setting a new all-time high recently. In this video, I'll talk about whether Dogecoin's bull run is over or not while highlighting some recent developments in the crypto world. Hello guys, and welcome back to Crypto Fire, where we talk about Dogecoin, cryptocurrency, and investing. Before we move forward, I'd just like to remind you to subscribe to our channel and turn on post notifications. This will make sure that you never miss our time-sensitive updates. Now, let's get started with today's video. So Dogecoin is trading sideways at 24.4 cents, and some crypto analysts are saying that it may be the end of Doge's bull run. Now the price of Dogecoin is still over the critical resistance level of 24 cents, but Bitcoin's value fell by more than 5% following its new all-time high recently. And experts are citing this reason behind their prediction of the end of Doge's bull run. Meanwhile, the worldwide crypto market cap decreased by nearly 1% to $2.6 trillion from the previous day. However, the entire crypto market volume increased by up to 6% to $122.7 billion. Seeing this, experts believe that the crypto market has been consolidating over the last 24 hours, and this consolidation was anticipated as traders and investors retreated from aggressive trades following the market's new high. Meanwhile, a positive sign is that prominent Indian Bitcoin exchanges have seen a more than 100% increase in trading volumes over the previous few days, despite the fact that Bitcoin's value has continued to skyrocket. Now, considering the current price of Doge, I still think that it is holding well in the market since Doge has remained just over the 24 cents resistance level. However, with the primary goal of 50 cents, the chance of a significant increase remains. Furthermore, it appears as though the bulls are striving to drive and sustain the price above the downtrend line, which would invalidate the forming descending triangle pattern and pave the way for a rally to 32 cents and eventually 35 cents. Besides, you must keep in mind that I am not a financial expert and that nothing I say should be considered as financial advice. Moreover, you should conduct your own study and analyze the market trend before investing in cryptos. Now I think that the recent downtrend for cryptos, especially Doge and Bitcoin, may have been caused when it was recently reported that the price of Bitcoin dropped by about 87% on Binance's US exchange, plummeting to as low as $8,200 from around $65,000. However, this major drop was not real, as it has been reported that it happened due to a bug on the website. Moreover, the price did not behave similarly on other exchanges, and on Binance, the level almost quickly snapped back to its previous level. Just after this happened, a statement came from Binance's officials stating that one of their institutional traders informed them that they had discovered a problem in their trading algorithm, which appears to have been the cause of the sell-off. Now coming back to Doge, experts at the FX Street have claimed that the bull run for Doge is not over yet. Analysts anticipate that the Doge price will reach 48 cents before the end of the current bull run, and proponents are awaiting the arrival of Robinhood's Doge wallets, which will enable Dogecoin to be spent at 600,000 locations, and it will increase its utility. While I personally think that the bull run for Doge is not over yet, and we will see it maintain the 24 cents mark while also gaining some momentum in the coming weeks. On the other hand, as Ethereum's price increased by up to 13% recently, the FX Street experts also analyzed its market trend, stating that new all-time highs will provide a clear path for ETH to the $5,000 price zone. And profit-taking is likely to occur if Ethereum reaches an overbought state. Now, as we saw Doge going over the 25 cents mark recently, according to a report by Capital.com, Dogecoin has overcome resistance at 0.25 cents, and the majority of indicators point to a continuation of the upward trend. The report stated that Dogecoin has broken through the barrier as Bitcoin continues to set the market's pace, and Dogecoin is now also supported between 24.4 cents and 22.6 cents, with subsequent resistance levels ranging from 26.2 cents to 27.8 cents. And in the longer run, the report anticipates it will take a year for Dogecoin to surpass its previous all-time high of 74 cents and reach the $1 level. Moreover, according to recent news, 70% of individuals who invested in Dogecoin are now reaping the benefits of their investment. And Doge had a recent rise in adoption after youth-focused fashion store PacSun enabled online shoppers to pay with Doge. And data suggests that Dogecoin can now be spent at 1,704 retailers, up 41.3% from 1,206 businesses at the end of January and 61.6% from January 2020. Considering these reports, I think that Dogecoin is gaining broad acceptance as liberating alternatives to traditional fiat currencies, and public venues are changing their technology infrastructure to match consumer demand. Besides, Dogecoin's overall use as a payment alternative is gaining traction, and its adoption in the different sectors has been rising gradually. So I think it is great news for crypto lovers. So as cryptos gain public acceptance, experts believe that blockchain, the underlying technology of this monetary disruptor, will need to advance and adapt to the quickly evolving requirements of the new landscape. And according to recent reports, two J.P. Morgan executives recognize the need to eventually design a scalable system capable of accommodating exponential demand in a sustainable manner. Stuart Popejoy and Will Martino then developed the innovative Kadena platform, which is the world's fastest and only scalable proof-of-work blockchain. And having had some success in building the blockchain, Popejoy and Martino identified a business opportunity. The two set out to found Kadena by leveraging their knowledge and experience in a unique market. And what sets Kadena's blockchain apart from competitors is the specific challenge it addresses, which is the problem of POW blockchains failing to scale. So as we know that scaling helps blockchains to maintain a specific degree of performance as their user base grows, I think that this proof-of-work-centric business model will give Kadena a critical advantage over competitors in the years to come, as there is likely to be an increased need for additional proof-of-work-centric blockchains as the market transitions away from proof-of-stake. On the other hand, it has been reported that companies engaged in oil extraction in Russia have developed a plan to arrange crypto mining adjacent to the oil fields they utilize. According to reports, Russian government agencies are currently debating a proposal by Russia's oil firms to begin mining cryptos at their extraction locations, and the industry is proposing to generate electricity from associated petroleum gas in order to power the energy-intensive process of digital coin minting. And according to experts, the initiative may draw overseas investors, particularly from China, where authorities have cracked down on Bitcoin mining this year. And we know that industrial activity is effectively restricted in China, while mining is permitted but not properly regulated in the Russian Federation. So I think this is another great news for crypto enthusiasts, as it may eradicate the impacts of China's crypto ban on the crypto market. So as stated before that Bitcoin flipped just over 5% in the market, recent market analysis has indicated some factors that can support Bitcoin, and if not, we might see it falling down to the $53,000 mark. So according to analysts, even though there were initial reservations about the recently launched Bitcoin ETF's validity due to the fact that it monitors Bitcoin futures, which is a derivative rather than the actual currency, it has immediately boosted Bitcoin prices to spot levels. And now traders anticipate the Bitcoin bulls will confirm their position, standing tall in the face of selling pressure and climbing towards $100,000. Moreover, among the many catalysts that could provide support for the leg up is the institutionalization of Bitcoin and other cryptos. Additionally, with major entities such as Square already holding cryptos, the stage is set for more to enter, amassing Bitcoin and other cryptos in expectation of future gains. Now some reports are indicating that the ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF has grown in popularity beyond its capacity, and the fund is already approaching the maximum on the amount of futures contracts it is permitted to possess by the Chicago Mercantile Exchange. Bloomberg data indicates that the ETF already holds 1,900 futures contracts for the month of October, and the Chicago Mercantile Exchange has limited to holding 2,000 contracts in the front month, leaving only 100 available for the ETF. Meanwhile, ProShares has 1,400 November futures contracts to avoid exceeding its limit. However, the Chicago Mercantile Exchange established an absolute restriction on the number of futures contracts that can be owned at any given moment. Given that the Bitcoin Strategy ETF has already amassed well over half of that within 3 days of its inception, it is highly possible that it will reach that barrier very soon. Coming back to Doge, if we examine Dogecoin's market performance over the last 7 days, we see that it has gained around 5.9% and is presently trading around 24.5 cents. Experts say that Dogecoin is striving to hold a price above all significant moving averages of 20, 50, 100, and 200 days on a monthly chart. Meanwhile, volume activity is marginally lower across the chart and must dramatically increase. Similarly, the price's persistence above its important DMA levels, combined with supportive volume activity, will increase the upward potential in upcoming trading sessions. And analysts anticipate that after Doge crosses its important DMA levels, supportive volume action will kickstart the next leg of the bullish surge to 45 cents. So let's see how Doge trades in the market in the coming weeks. Meanwhile, do you think that Doge will continue its bull run or not? Let me know in the comments section below. And this is it for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you enjoyed it, please consider liking and sharing it with your friends. Also, please subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications for daily videos on Dogecoin and cryptocurrency. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments section below. Goodbye. Take care.